Located on the dashboard menu by clicking here, you will have access to View Edit Your Alert message. Note that you will need the correct verification services access to edit the alert messages. If you would like to post a message for requesters to see when they select your school and before they place their request, you may do so by clicking on the Edit School Custom Message Alert. If you would like to provide a permanent message, please do not use input 2099 as the end year, as this will cause an error in our system. Instead, please input 2098 or any year prior to that. You can also provide a pending message. This will only appear if the requester's verification goes pending. If, for example, you expect significant delays in pending requests due to a holiday break that recently occurred, you can provide that information here.